you. We're seats 13, A, B, C, and D. I think your dad is gonna sit with the strangers, right, honey? Who wants a window seat? No, mommy's gonna sit in the aisle so I can go to the bathroom easier. Oh, this is a full flight. Hopefully there are no babies on it. Putting my headphones in and I'm taking a nap, okay? What, you want the goldfish? Oh, you don't need to buy a movie. You can just watch the free ones. A little chilly in here. Who has my sweater? Honey, do you have my sweater? Oh, it's up top. I know the seatbelt sign is on. Hold on. I'm gonna get it really quick. Hold on. Yes. Really quick. I just gotta get my sweater out. I'm a little chilly. Hold on. Let me just get my sweater out. I'll sit down in just a minute. Hold on. Woo! Smells like summer.